Hey Chris, my name is Alexis, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to help bring in more business. I've noticed by giving people a free plan of attack that can actually help their business for free has resulted in business owners like you saying, "I like you, Alexis, do this for me." So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've seen and see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve to help your business, please call or text so we can chat. Or simply take this free plan of attack. That's okay too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your business above your competitors. We're going to start with content in your page. Google likes to see about 1,500 words on the front page, and you have about 900, so that'll be easy fix. Where you can get up there and get some more content in there, and that will really help you rank above your competitors. We also like to see pictures saved the correct way. That really helps in Google's eyes. So we'd go here to gallery and we'd click here and we would try to save that photo. You'd see here that it's just saved as numbers. We'd want to go in there and resave all these as keywords that you want to be picked up in Google for. So plumbing, repairs, things like that. You want to do that for all of your photos. As well, we can do interlinking inside. We would go here, we'd find a word, and we set it as a link, but that link would go to a different page up here. And that would help also boost. The second most important thing I want to talk to you about is citations. Citations are in the map pack of Google, which you are number 4 here, so that is good. But we always want to be number 1, right? So I want to show you. So here I want to show you the citations. The citations is your name, your phone number, and your address. They are on sites that are on sites. So you have 49 citations. So your name, number, and address are on 49 different sites, like Yellow Books, Yelp, things like that. But your competitors, they have those plus 81 different opportunities. So we would go down here. This is White Spark. It runs about $40 a month. But here, these are all your citations. These are where all your citations are. You would click here to opportunities, and these are all the citations that you don't have but your competitors have. So you can go in here and you're going to want to get all of these citations, and that will help you rank up in Google Map Packs. The third thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. And this is a site called Ahrefs. It runs about $99 a month and up. But here we're going to see your information. This right here, the UR, that's the strength that your URL has. And this here is the trust that Google has for your website. So here we can see you have 175 backlinks, but they're on 54 referring domains. So this means that you have 175 backlinks on 54 different websites. And we can go through here and we can see them. But if we go to a competitor's page, Frank Wood and Sun Plumbing is one of your competitors. You can see here that their strength is much higher than yours, and that is because of their backlinks. Their backlinks here. They have many more backlinks than you. And even though they're on less domains, they have more. And backlinks, they are not created the same. So you can see here, when we go to backlinks, this DR, that's the strength that it has. So you want to go for the highest number. That's the strength level it will give you. So the higher the better. But here in your competitors page, you're going to just want to go in here and you want to get all of these backlinks for yourself as well. But after you get all of these backlinks, you're going to want to get more than your competitors, so that you not only are at the same level as they are, you're going to want to do better and get more so that you rank above them. But these are the 3 tips that I have for you today. So with that being said, if you do like this information and you want to contact us at our company, please feel free to give us a call at 765-639-9289. Or if you just want to take this information and apply it to yourself, feel free. But if you would like to save some time and get it done, just call us and we can talk. Thank you.